So here's just a very quick review of Umax app, which is called Umax Become Hot. As you can see, it's in the top charts these days in US App Store, in European app stores. So this is a new hyped AI app. It's going viral on TikTok. And this is not AI avatar app. So what this app does in a nutshell, you just upload your selfies, like front selfie, angle selfie, side selfie, and then you just have these selfies, and then you get an analysis. So you have a rating of your appearance. Basically you are rated by AI, so it analyzes your overall rating out of 100, your potential, your masculinity, your jawline, cheekbone, skin quality, all of that. By the way, this app is not only for like male, it's also for females, so boys and girls, so all genders. And then it also gives you then recommendations, what you can do. So that's what it is. So what you can do is like you can just do the screen and share it on your stories, Instagram, TikTok, just, it's going viral. Or then another good thing is that you can just see some recommendations, what you can improve. But it's not a medical advice, but it's an interesting AI model. So there it is. So I upgraded. So if you're curious what you will get if you upgrade, so let me just show you. So here is the scan. You just upload your selfie, but here is just one selfie, so it's just an example. And then here you have again just your ratings. It's like potential, masculinity, skin quality, jawline, cheekbones, and then it's like I have moderate masculinity. Wow, that's great. And then it's like face shape, eye type, cantal tilt, all of these things. And then the cool thing is like some recommendations here. So you can just see some details, what you can read about it. So yeah. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, what you can get from here. So yeah, something like that, and then that's what it is. And unfortunately, you only get one scan, even if you upgrade it. Then, if you want to get some additional scan, you still need to pay for that additional scan. And then you have your icon. You can reach out to their support just like that. If there is some kind of issue, you can give feedback, you can rate them. There is no your account, so you can't delete your account. You can't, what else? Yeah, it's available on Google Play Store, so Android, that's fun. You can also try it there. But yeah, in a nutshell, that's the app.